Today's training is how to get 10x the engagement on your posts instantly. My goal, if you stay until the end, you will finally understand how to increase visibility on your Facebook posts and receive 10x the engagement. I am Michael Ellis. I've been in the digital marketing space for decades, part-time, and recently become full-time. I've spent hours learning and spent thousands on books, courses, and memberships, so then you don't have to. I have chosen to specialize in organic Facebook marketing, funnels, and automation, and I'm going to lay everything out for you for free here in this group. I've done a lot of things right over the years. I've scaled Facebook ads successfully. I've grown a group to 3,500 members. I've also shut that group down. So I've done a lot of things wrong. One of the things that I've done wrong is shutting that group down. I should have never shut that group down. And I've also lost a lot of money on Facebook ads that I've tried to scale that wasn't working out for me. After doing digital marketing for 15 plus years, I've discovered that you don't have to spend money on ads. I've discovered that you don't have to send 600 cold emails per day. I've discovered that you don't have to cold call people or annoy your family and friends. And finally, I've discovered that there is a better way to market yourself and your offer. I tried doing it the hard way and wasted a lot of time and money. Now you get to cheat. You get the easy way. The hard way. You spend loads of time trying to work out what works by yourself. And you spend loads of money buying that new course on the latest hack to find out it doesn't work for you. And eventually you give up and you go back to buying ads, or worse, spamming. Want the easy way to literally 10x your engagement almost instantly? In the past 2 months, I have 10x my engagement on my posts, and I didn't spend a penny on ads or spam. No one. Just a disclaimer, individual results may vary. It doesn't work for everybody, but if you follow the process, you're sure to see some sort of results. And if you improve over time, it will get better. So, my simple 3-step system to increase your visibility and receive 10x engagement. Step 1, love and comment. Step 2, craft a compelling post. And step 3, reply and ask questions. So let's move deeper into it and go through step 1, love and comment. I'm just going to play you a recording of and talk you through what I do personally to increase my visibility and increase my reach of my posts. So what you have to do is you have to give love to the posts of the people that you want to see your posts, and comment meaningful comments on the post that are relevant to that post, so then you do not look like a bot to Facebook. As you can see, I am sending love out and giving it a brief read over of the post, and then I'm commenting something relative to them. This usually either results in people or the post owner giving you either love or a like back, and generally responding with a nice comment. You never want to post a comment that's negative, because Facebook won't like you for that. It's a place to have fun. They don't like people giving negativity out on Facebook. They will most likely hurt your reach. If you're stuck for something to say, just use relevant emojis. And as you can see, it doesn't actually take that long to do it. You can do it a lot faster than this. I don't know what we're playing at. It was late at night when I recorded this. And on a mobile, it's definitely a lot faster. Oh, look, someone's got a certificate. As you can see, I'm already starting to receive comments back from the comments that I've given. This is a very good indicator to Facebook that people actually like you and engage with your content. Even if it is just comments, it's still content. And then once you've done a few posts like that, you need to go into the groups where your people are and do the exact same thing. Clearly, I haven't finished yet. I thought that was the last one. Some of you who watch this will probably recognize the post, because I know some of you are in my group and I have commented on your stuff for this presentation. This was a value post. Okay, I don't read it, but I know the guy. I know he generally posts a lot of great value stuff, so I don't need to read it. All I need to do is comment, awesome dude. 3 emojis. And this next bit is quite important. If you come across a sponsored advert, you don't really need to comment on them. They are in your newsfeed because they've paid for them to be in your newsfeed. It's not going to do anything to help you by commenting or liking on their stuff. If you use the new Facebook layout on desktop, it is a bit tricky sometimes just to send love out. Sometimes it'll just give a like, even though you're trying to give love. Just go back into it, do it again. As you can see, I just did a mistake in my spelling there and sent it out anyway. I clearly didn't see that I'd done that, but it doesn't matter. think this is actually the last post now. So yeah, then what you want to do is you want to go over to the group section and do the exact same process in there and give love, give likes, give comments on the post where your customers actually hang out, or where your audience actually hang out. Every love interaction on Facebook increases the power of your personal algorithm and helps you to become more visible online. I think you generally get the gist of this now. I think I can stop this now and we can move on to the next slide. So this is what I'm going to do. Step 2, write compelling and engaging posts and actually use compelling and engaging images in your posts too, if you can. If you can't, then try to get something that looks kind of visual and engaging. Visual and posts do a lot better than just writing posts, even if the writing is the important part. So here's some results I've been having by making engaging and writing compelling posts. That's a post from 4th of April. That's a post from 24th of April. That received quite numerous comments. This is, by the way, this is good for me. This might be average for you, but this is great for me. Averagely, in the past, my posts have got zero interaction, 0 likes, 0 comments, 1 or 2 comments maybe from friends, and that's about it. So receiving comments and likes and love of this value is great, and it goes to show that following the steps of this system does work. There's just 4 others. Comments and reactions, although I didn't include the full post, it would have covered the screen too much. I just wanted to show you that this system does work and it will improve your reach and your engagement drastically. Step 3, this is a biggie. You've got to reply to every comment somebody leaves. This keeps the engine running. This keeps the algorithm working in your favor. If possible, it's not always possible. If someone replies to you with 3 emojis, like I've been telling you to put on posts, you're not going to reply with a question. Just reply saying thanks, love the support, or whatever it is. But if possible, always reply with a question. Replying with questions. Leave love on all the replies and comment back and ask a question. This starts off a conversation. It generally means that the person who's previously commented is going to comment again. So ask another question when they reply back. This, yet again, continues the conversation going, and they should reply back. Sometimes they don't. Some people get bored. You can't win everybody over. And then reply again, this time saying, let's take this to Messenger and follow up. That is 4 comments on your thread from just one person's comment. If you do the questions and you reply back and you reply back again with another question, and then you say, let's take this up in Messenger, then it's going to help. It's going to help you reach, because the more people that comment, the more comments you've got showing on your thread, the more people will take notice of your post. And that's it. No software, no tricks, no ads, and no spamming. It's as simple as that. 3-step system. Love, comment, write a compelling post, and reply with questions. So I hope you've gotten value from this training. And would you agree it's been time well spent so far? Now, I can't cover everything you need in this one training, so there will be more trainings coming up later in the group about how to write compelling high-value posts or how to get unlimited content ideas from Facebook itself. So I will upload more in time, and I will try to, I will ask in the group what you would like your training on next. But I haven't finished yet. What if I told you that I've created a checklist for you and you can have it for free? It's a simple 3-step visibility system checklist that you just print out, you can pin up on your wall, you can have on your desk, and you can literally just read the steps required to increase your algorithm and increase your visibility online. And all you have to do to get it is just comment the word checklist. That's it. And I'll send it over to your inbox later, because obviously I can't do it on live. Now, if there's any questions, just ask them below and I'll get back to you. Larry, missed the first part. Will it be available as a replay? Of course it'll be available as a replay. It will always be in my group. It's not going anywhere. It will, however, get moved over to a unit section. So then it'll be easier for everybody to find later on. But it's always going to be there. There's a little search icon in the group. Hit that search and you'll be able to find it. If you just type in how to 10x engagement on your post instantly, and it should come up. Larry said checklist. Someone else has said checklist. I will get them over to you as soon as I finish this live. I will make sure you have them in your inbox and you can download them, print them, do whatever you like with them. It is the first version. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It doesn't look very pretty. The second version is going to look a little bit better, but it's not going to have any difference in content. It's just going to look more appealing. So yeah, I will get them over to you. Is there any more questions? Let me just check. Yeah, no. Quite a few people jumped on though, which I'm quite pleased about and happy about. So thanks guys, thanks for the support. And like I said, comment the word checklist. I'll send it over to your inbox. And I will see you next time.